Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apple ID device security with iCloud Keychain, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Apple ID device security with iCloud Keychain, begin by unlocking your Apple device. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. In the next screen, select Password and Security. Here, you will see various options related to your Apple ID security. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. If it's not enabled, tap Turn on two-factor authentication and follow the prompts. Next, go back to the main Settings menu and select iCloud. In the iCloud menu, locate Keychain and tap on it. Toggle on iCloud Keychain if it's not already enabled. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to proceed. After enabling iCloud Keychain, check your devices for synchronization status. You can do this by going back to the iCloud settings and selecting Keychain. Here, ensure all your devices are listed and confirmed. If you're using a Mac, go to the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select System Preferences and then click on iCloud. In the iCloud settings, make sure Keychain is checked. This confirms that your Apple ID is secure across all devices. For additional security, regularly update your Apple ID password. Make it a habit to review your security settings at least once every few months. By following these steps, your Apple ID device security should be effectively verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.